Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're doing a quick protective style. I know quick is relative, but for me this is a quick protective style because I'm trying to do Marley Twists and I'm trying to do like big ones, mediums, medium. You know how you have small slash medium and people call them mediums? What do you call a medium slash large? Large? Medium? Oh my god. Anyways, that's what we're doing today. So before I start blabbing and yabbing, let's get into it. This is the hair I'm using today. Let me get it out of the pack. Oh my god, I love the ombre color. It's so beautiful. This will blend so well with my own hair and then have the colors on the tip. Let me just show you the hair closely. It is so soft to the touch. That's the color. It's so beautiful. All the details you need to know about the hair is going to be in the description below. I'm going to put the link. Take it, just click and get the hair. This is one pack of the hair and I have 8 of these, so hopefully it should be enough. Alrighty, my hair is a little bit damp, but I'm gonna be spraying water as we go. Let's see, is it this big? It's a good size. Yeah, it's a good size. I'm gonna spray a bit of water per usual, just a tiny bit. Then I'm going in with some almond joy twisting butter because we're twisting the hair. Then some leave-in conditioner. I'm using the rosemary straightening leave-in conditioner. Then sealing all that in with some oil. Tangle. If you're trying to learn how to add hair extensions, what to braid, this is what you do. So you separate your 2 pieces of twist. Then the middle point, you sort of want to anchor it to one piece of hair. So you twist your own hair onto it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just holding this one in place and I'm just twisting my own hair on this one. So when I have this, then I attach this one to the second piece and I just twist it together like I would do when I'm doing my regular 2-strand twist. And like that's literally how I attach it. I don't know if that makes sense. I'll probably show you guys again. So I am trying to do like a loose twist because I love the way like Marley hair looks a bit old. So once I pass the point of my own hair, I start to twist a bit loosey-goosey is how I twist because I want the ends to just look very fluffy. I wish I had curly hair. I would have just added it to the ends, you know? But it's okay. Maybe when I get to the end of this, I could curl the ends. We'll see how it goes. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have. Can you see how the end is very rugged-ish? That is literally what I wanted. This is so cool already. Okay, let's see what it looks like at the back. I love this hairstyle best when it looks old. So for me, this hairstyle is not about getting it to be neat in any form. It's like from the beginning, I wanted to just have that old look to it. But we're still gonna try to make it as neat as possible. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Sometimes I'm not even sure if you can see my hand placements in the mirror. In the camera, I mean. And then when we get to the end bit, once it's past my own hair, I twist as loosely as possible because you want it to be loosey-goosey. And the hair doesn't even tangle at all. My fingers are just going through and just twisting as fast.
This is so pretty.
Thank you, Jahida.
And long.
When you're older.
This is on my head.
The bro, troublemaker. No, don't touch anything. What is it? What do you want?
They won't let me watch YouTube.
They won't let you watch YouTube? But remember you were taking turns to watch the TV? Remember what I told you? Like, you have to agree to turns. That's it. And then when you get home now, it's your turn to watch TV.
Everyone in the comments, she's not fast forwarding this. This is actually how she braids. Oh, she actually braids like this.
But why are you on there when your butt hurts?
Guys, she's doing this all for you guys.
I am. I'm not doing it for myself. I thought I was doing the hair for myself.
Well, she's doing it for you guys and herself.
Do you want to show them your donut and your pizza?
Do you want to show them? And my donut and my pizza.
Jabra got donuts and a pizza. Jahida's Hannah. And then Jamila.
It took forever.
It did not take forever. It took like 20 minutes max.
20 minutes?
Yeah, and then we waited.
Jabra, what is this?
What are you doing, Jabra?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm doing 21.
What is 21?
Bye. Huggy.
Oh, Huggy.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe.
Yes, what she said. Okay. Alright, say Anjuma. Drive safe. Bye. Bye. These Marley Twists are actually one of my favorite hairstyles to do. It's just crazy how I haven't done it in a long time. This will do. This will do. Let me see if I can show you guys again how to add hair extension to your hair when you're doing twists. If you already have your hair sectioned, go ahead and divide that into 2 equal parts. Then get to the middle of your hair extension and then try to roll your own hair on one part of the hair extension. This hand, you're just holding that in place. This, you're twisting. Let me come closer. You can see? You twisted it. This is what you have twisted. Now this part, you put it together with that hair and then you just continue twisting. Just continue twisting like you're twisting your hair regularly. That's how it just forms like that twist. I really don't know how else to explain this process. I think one thing I love about this twist is just the fact that it's super light, even though it seems like it's like heavy. I also love that it looks like locks. It just gives me a different kind of look and I love it. I'm so excited to style this hair. People at the back who didn't see it before, I'm gonna show you again. Take a piece of hair, twist it onto the middle of the hair extension, twist it, get a grip of it, pick the other piece of hair with your own hair, grab them all together and twist. Twist and twist and twist. It's that easy. Again, with other things, I know everyone's gonna come into the comments and say I make it look easy. Trust me, this took a lot of practice. A lot of practice and just doing it over and over and over again. And again, if I can do it, you can do it, but it's honestly gonna take a whole lot of practice. Like, I remember when I first started and it never used to turn out as good. And sometimes I would do a twist, I'll unravel it, I'll do it again, unravel it and do it again. And honestly, it's just perseverance and trying to make something as good as it could possibly can. And that's all you need, to be honest. Just keep trying, never give up. It is still a bit tricky for me to add hair extensions to the back of my hair, especially like the middle back of my hair. It takes me a little bit of maneuvering to sort of like figure it out. It gets easier each time. It's just sometimes it's a bit hard. And I have to like bend my head, my neck, and my fingers and position it in a way where I can twist it. Oh my goodness, I hope you even saw that. It takes a minute to get used to it. So yeah, the back is not always the fun part. And once I start twisting my hair, because it's hard to add hair extensions to that, it takes a minute. But we gotta do what we gotta do. This is such a great protective hairstyle for me because I am doing it as gently as I can. I am not... Oh my god, what? Okay, got it. What was I saying? Right. I am not using gel whatsoever for this hairstyle. If you want to use gel, be my guest, but I am not using gel because that's just the look I am going for. I want it to look very natural, very rustic, very locks. I want it to be a bit frizzy. That's intentional. But I know some of my girlies don't like frizzy hair or don't even like that look, so that's fine. This is just my choice. Whatever twist hairstyle I have, be it like mini twist, big twist, 2-strand twist, small, medium, my own hair extension, I always love it. An extra bit more when it's a few days old, because like that few days old hair just... there's a way it looks. It's just like everything falls into place finally. Everything has relaxed and it just sits exactly where you want it to sit. Like new hair, once you just do that new hair, it's like, what am I doing? What am I supposed to fall? What am I supposed to do? But like give it a few days and it just looks good. At this point, I'm almost at the end of my braids, so I would literally try to divide the rest of my hair to see what I have left and to know that I'm parting my hair correctly. This also helps me because at this point I know, okay, do I have 5 left? Do I have 10 left? What do I have left? It gives me something to look forward to, and it just helps in planning my braids because yeah, we gotta know what we're doing. I finally have 4 left. Woohoo! Oof, the middle part of my scalp hurts so bad when I'm doing my hair. I'm so tender-headed, so no matter how I'm very gentle on my scalp, it still hurts. This part right here, and that's usually like the last part that I usually do when I'm doing my hair. Oh my goodness, this is actually one of the reasons why I started doing my own hair myself, because no matter how anyone else was gentle, my scalp would always hurt, and that was just not it for me. Like I've had really bad experiences with people braiding my hair, and I can actually count on my one hand how many times someone has braided my hair. Years ago, I was going on a trip, and then I don't know why I decided, oh, it'd be nice to do like a crochet hairstyle. At the time, this was like almost 12 years ago. This new crochet hair type thing was like in trend. My cousin was selling hair. I was like, let me support her, buy some hair. And then I got someone to do it because I didn't have time and I was traveling. Oh my God, it hurt so bad. She did my cornrows so tight. And then doing the crochet, it just hurt. I did my hair in the morning. My flight was at night. It was an international flight. I was telling my other cousin that I was with at the time, I was like, it's hurting. I need to take it off. She was like, no, you spent so much money, da da da. I got on the flight that night. I arrived London the next morning. And I was just like, yes, take it out. I told my cousins, they're like, just cut it off. They cut it off and I literally had blisters on my scalp. That's how bad it was. I had blisters on my scalp. Oh my God, from then on, I was like, yeah, never ever. I'm not experimenting like that with somebody else touching my hair. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. My scalp is that tender. And with that, we're done. I need to dip the ends in hot water. Kids, don't do this at home. I couldn't find a small bucket either, so this is what I'm stuck with. All I have to do now is just make sure this dries. All right, let me put on some makeup and style my hair, okay? this hair is so soft. Like, this is the kind of protective hairstyle that I like. The one that's versatile and easy. Like, I think I'm gonna have it down all through. I love it. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. Oh my gosh, the ends is so fluffy, so soft. I can't wait to actually put it all up in a bun so it's like a crown. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. This is exactly what I imagined in my head, and I got exactly what I wanted. So win-win. I love big Marley twists, but I just don't know why I haven't done it in such a long time. It's such a cute hairstyle. I can't wait to style it in different ways. And don't worry, if you're still thinking where I got the hair from, I've linked it down in the description. All you have to do is click and you get the hair. Of course, if you've gotten to this point of the video, you know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for always supporting me, watching my videos from beginning to the very end. Look at you supporting your girl. I appreciate it. Please, while you're here, don't forget to actually like this video. The button is right there. And while you're there, press that bell so you get notifications for every time I post. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You don't want to miss videos like this, do you? Anyways, thank you so much. Bye.